On your graphical user interface, there are so many ways you can use to shut down your computer system. You can right click on the start button and then you choose shut down or sign out, and you have the option to shut down your computer system. You can also hold the Alt key and the F4 on the keyboard. This also gives you this option, which is in a graphical form, that allows you to also shut down the computer system. In my next video, I'm going to show you the difference between the graphical user interface and also the command line interface, and we are going to explore some examples. Now, in this case, as a command prompt user, how can you shut down your computer system? In fact, how can you schedule the shutdown process of your computer system using the command prompt? Let's open the command prompt on our Windows interface. Now this is our open command prompt window, and we have this as our current location, that is the recent location that we are working within, which is BTC tutorial channel. Now in this line of path, we are going to input the command that is going to schedule or shut down our computer system. Now in this line of path, you can see that I have shut down and I have the -s and also the -t. This is the command that we are going to use to shut down the computer system. We are going to extend this command by inputting some seconds values that is going to schedule the shutdown process, so that when the time is due, this computer is going to turn off automatically without the interference of the computer system. So I'm going to press the space bar and type this number, which is 7200, and this is going to schedule this in 120 minutes. So in the next 120 minutes of this computer system, this PC will be automatically shut down. So I'm going to press the enter key on the keyboard. Now in this case, what happens is that at the right bottom corner of your notification area, you are going to have a notice, and that notice is that you are going to see the schedule time and date where this computer system will be shut down. So as you can see from the notification area, we have a particular information that is being displayed to you, that is telling you the right time this computer is going to shut down. Now what if you want to cancel this particular execution for this computer, that is to cancel this shutdown process? You are going to input this command, and this command is the shutdown. Then you press the space bar and type the -a, and when you press the enter key, this is also going to display an information on your notification area at the right bottom corner, and you are going to have the information that this shutdown process has been cancelled. So this is how to shut down your computer system using command prompt, and also how to cancel the shutdown process when you are using your command prompt window. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, comment, and also consider to subscribe, and we shall meet in our next tutorials.